what this is supposed to look like. I seen it on videos and stuff, but I know it ain't supposed to look like this. That shit is bone dry. All the pieces fell out off the shifter as soon as I yeah. And that's what I've been driving now. Fuck. Yeah. Yep. We're gonna fix that. Alright, so that turned from a shifter rebuild to a transmission flush because I'm guessing that the fluid that I was pouring, it was going down into the transmission. With the 5 speeds, you don't have that problem. So I didn't know that. I'm guessing that there's not supposed to be fluid in there, but you can fill your transmission through there. So now that's good to know. But now to see if I'm right, we're about to take all this stuff off the bottom of the car and drain the transmission. We're gonna start with the top bolt, see if it come out there first. This be like a whole quart come out, I mean a whole gallon. But yeah, we're gonna see. Because I think I'm gonna just go back. I was gonna change the axles, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and just do suspension too while I'm at it. But I wanna get on a little roll, and also I want to test the shifter rebuild, which is a lot better. A lot better. But yeah, I kind of just want to get on a roll where I can get it up to the speeds where I can see the shaking and hear the noises. So when I go back and I fix it, see the difference. Change the axles. That's get rid of the shaking and the noise. But then I was gonna put the suspension on when I got my rims. I was clean. I was gonna do my suspension when I got my rims, but yeah. Taking off the axle. This one's broken. I've been driving around on it for a little bit, but I got these. Some insane shafts. Yeah, insane shafts. Got these right here. Got the 500 horsepower ones. Like $1,000 for both. 1,100. Tax and all that stuff. Yep. Right now, about to get into it. Take this out, put the new ones in. I might put in some goodies, some other goodies too. We'll see how much time I got. Okay, so we got broke one on the bottom, and that one wasn't broken on top. So we got the broke one on the bottom, and just took out the other one because so now we got the new ones is about to go in, and then after that we got 40s put in. This is our first test drive of the car. We out.